Hi viewers, welcome back to HowTo channel. I hope you had a great and a safe week following the local government lockdown restrictions amidst the tough COVID-19 pandemic. Today, we are going to talk all about PDFs and the common problems we encounter using PDFs. I'm going to provide you a one-stop solution for all your PDF needs. We are going to discuss in detail about how to edit a PDF, how to convert a Word to a PDF and vice versa, and how to convert a JPEG to PDF, how to compress a PDF, and how to merge split a PDF. And I'm just going to give you some websites which can help you to fit all your PDF needs. Let's talk about the first of the PDF related queries that we have, and that's how to convert a PDF to a Word, and how to edit the converted file, and how to save it back as a Word or a PDF. So for the purpose of the demonstration, I have already downloaded a dummy PDF file from online. It's a single page PDF file, as you can see. So I'm just gonna right click and open with Microsoft Word, since I've already opened this particular document with Word before. If you're using it for the first time, you can open Microsoft Word and you can use the open option, and then you can navigate to where the file is placed, and you can of course try to open it through that option as well. So I'm opening this particular dummy PDF in Word. So here, as I can see here, so I can just try to edit this particular file. Just gonna add a sentence here. This is the first line in the PDF document added as part of the demo. So now I have successfully started to edit this particular converted file. So and then I can try to save this particular file either as a document. So in this case, if you want to successfully convert from a PDF to document, you can just choose the docs and you can save it, so which is gonna successfully convert it for us. Or if you want to convert it back from PDF, again you want to make some changes in the edit, and then you just save it back. You can also save it back as a PDF. So in this case, I'm just gonna see it as a PDF. So to recall in short, what you've done so far is we tried to successfully convert a PDF to a Word file, and then we tried to edit the PDF, and then we also tried to save it back as a PDF file right now. If we save it as a Word file again, then it's basically converting from PDF to Word. The second common use case that we see with PDFs is that a lot of users tend to think about how to actually convert an image, which is going to be a JPEG or a PNG file, to a PDF. And for the purpose of the demonstration on this one, I have already have a JPEG file that I downloaded, and for this purpose I'm going to use an external website which is called as ilopdf.com. So this is a great one-stop solution for all your PDF queries. So like to convert from PDF to Word, just like how we use the MS Word. At the moment we can try to make use of this particular website to do the same functionality as well. So I'm gonna use the option of trying to convert the JPEG to PDF using this particular website. So let's try to use this convert JPEG to PDF. I'm gonna select my image, just gonna upload it, and then I'm just gonna give the dimensions on how I would like to see it. I'm just choosing the defaults, and then I'm just gonna say convert to PDF. Then once that's converted, you can of course download the PDF, and here we go. So the image that I've uploaded has now been transformed into a PDF. So to recall in short, we have basically successfully converted a JPEG file into a PDF file. The next use case that we are going to see right now would be on how to compress the PDFs. A lot of times when we try to upload PDFs into various websites, we are gonna get this prompt of saying the file size is too large and it would like to get PDF in a much smaller size. To help you out on this particular utility, again I have a PDF which is quite big, and I've renamed that to be a big PDF file. So let's see the properties on this one. So as you can see, it's around 21 MB of disk size. I'm not going to use the default on Mac because I would like to give a generic solution. So I'm going to use the ilopdf.com again, and here we have an option of actually reducing the size of the PDF. So I'm just gonna upload this into the hello.pdf.com. So here there are multiple options of compression on how good the quality is necessary. So I'm just going with the default recommended option, and here it's trying to convert my PDF file, which is almost around 20 MB. And then let's see how much is the converted file size at the moment. So this I would really suggest you guys to actually explore the various features that is part of the ilovepdf.com. It's I would say an extremely great tool to be used, and one thing that I will also ask users from refraining would be that try to avoid uploading any of sensitive information, like for example the financial related data, or probably the social security numbers. And I would say, even though the website claims to be extremely secure and they delete all the PDFs that we upload in 24 hours, I would still not suggest to upload any of those kind of contents. That's my personal recommendation as well. And also, meanwhile it compresses, I would also suggest you guys to actually have a look into this website called highpdf.com. These two are my personal favorites when it comes to utilizing the various PDF related queries. This has also great number of features when you compare with the ilovepdf.com. So now this PDF has been compressed, and let's try to see the file size on this one. As I can see, so it's just 7.8 MB, so it's basically around 30 percentage of what the original file was. And as you can see, the resolution seems to be exactly the same. It's just that it just compressed it into a much smaller document at the moment. So this is an easy way of converting or compressing your files, right? So the next use case that we're gonna see here is how to actually merge multiple PDFs into one big PDF, or probably try to split that into various small PDFs. You can again use this particular website, and here you have options to merge PDFs and split PDFs. So I'm not going to actually demo this, but I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So you need to upload multiple PDFs after choosing this option of merge PDF, and then what happens is it takes care of the order in which you actually upload the documents. Say you upload PDF A followed by PDF B, PDF, and then you try to merge it. PDF A will contents will be the first one to be in the document, and then it will follow with the PDF B. And that's the order of execution. And likewise for splitting, you can of course split a big document into multiple smaller chunks based on the pages or based on the queries that you specify for actually splitting the document into various levels. Apart from the various common queries related to PDF that we discussed earlier, there could be other use cases for PDFs. So please feel free to go ahead and look into the ilovepdf.com and also into the highpdf.com to explore the various features available. If you feel this video has been really useful for you, please try to go ahead and click the like button there, and then try to post your comments as well. Please feel free to share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe to our channel as well for more such videos. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching.